Good morning everyone, and welcome to this quick morning yoga flow. We're here in the beautiful Cave Creek, Arizona, and we're going to go ahead and get started just centering ourselves on our mats. And we're just going to take one hand on our belly, one hand on our chest, and just start with some deep breaths in. So in through that nose, lift those shoulders, out through the mouth. Breathe it in and out. Just notice how your body feels here. Let those shoulders raise and let them fall. One more deep breath in. We're going to raise our hands here. Reach up to that sky and bring it down. Nice, just wriggle those shoulders around a little bit. We're going to go ahead and just connect those feet here, coming into a butterfly posture. And we're just going to go ahead and take some pulses in our butterfly posture. So just opening those hips, getting ourselves ready for this practice, and still following that breath here. We're going to go ahead and just place those hands behind you, and we're just going to do some knee rotations here, so even more opening those hips here. So those feet connect with the knees, and we're bringing it over, keeping that spine nice and tall, using those hands to support you behind your mat. Nice. And then we're going to go ahead and join me in child's posture in our mat. Just push back. Wriggle those fingers forward. Take a deep breath in here. And out. Just let it go here, settling into our day. And we're going to go ahead and roll it forward slowly. So coming into our upward dog, big inhale here, drop those shoulders, look up, and then push it back again into that child's posture. Forehead to that mat, glutes sitting on those heels. And then we're going to go ahead and roll it forward one more time, look up to that sky again, drop the shoulders, drop the hips. And then go ahead, tuck those toes behind you, just push back to our downward dog. We're going to walk it out here a little bit, so just releasing all that tension in the calves. This is probably one of your first movements of the day, so just taking it nice and easy. Just following the body, listen to it. We're going to go ahead and just drop both those heels here, push into those hands. And we're going to hover the knees above the ground. Push back. Nice. Inhale, bring it down. Exhale, push it back. Inhale. Exhale, lengthen those legs. Inhale, drop it down. Exhale, push it back. Nice. We're just going to hold here for one moment. Inhale it in. Exhale it out. Go ahead and just bend those knees, and we're going to slowly walk forward to the front of our mats. Just taking a nice ragdoll here. So letting those hamstrings loosen naturally. Really just taking this moment to connect to your body, connect to your mind. On your next inhale, we're going to bring it all the way up. So reaching for that sky. And then exhale, drop it all the way down again. Inhale up. Exhale down. And on this last one, inhale, we're going to bring it up. We're going to interlace those fingers. And you're going to bring those hands over to the right side of your mat. Push out that left hip. Nice, just feel that nice lengthening sensation down your left side body. Push that hip out even more. And then take it to your other side. Push out that right hip. Arms go over to that left side. Push it out one more time. And then to the center. Nice. We're going to go ahead and disconnect those fingers. Still hands pointing up to that sky. And we're going to go ahead into our chair posture. So just bending at those hips. Really engaging those glutes. And we're reaching up. Nice. Look through those two hands. And we're just going to take some tiny pulses here, warming up those legs for the day. Nice. Really grounding those feet here. We're going for 10, 5. Follow that breath and bring it back up. Go ahead and reach up to that sky one more time. And big exhale, we're dropping it down to that ragdoll again. Just notice if this feels different to the last time. And from here, we're going to slowly bend those knees, hands to our mat. We're going to step back into our plank here and just get nice and grounded. I want you to focus on that belly button, pull that belly button in, drop those hips, focus on a straight line coming from your head all the way to your feet. And if you need for this, you can always drop down to those knees to modify. But if you want to warm up that body, challenge yourself, we're going to start by taking some shoulder taps. So left to right shoulder, and then taking the opposite. So we're going tap, tap, keeping that core as stable and as aligned as we can. You got this. Going for 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. We're going to go ahead and push back into our downward dog, but this time we're aiming for that left leg. So tapping that with our right hand, bring it forward into plank. Tap that right leg with that left, bring it forward. We're going for 8, 7, 6. Keep going. Really focus on bringing those hips back with you. We got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. We're going to go ahead and just push back into that downward dog again. Drop those heels to the mat. Big inhale in. Exhale out. This time we're going to go ahead and just cross that left foot over top of that right. Push down that right heel. If you want to stack those feet too, you can go ahead and do that. Just going deeper into that right calf. And then we're just going to go ahead and kick that left leg up. And we're going to drop that left leg over. So opening up here, pushing up those hips. And if this is too hard, you can go ahead and come down and back up. This practice is yours, so make it yours. And then we're going to go ahead and come out of our flip dog into our side plank. So I'm going to turn around for you guys here. So this is what you should look like in your side plank. We're going to go ahead and take it down to our elbow. So really engaging that whole right side. And we're just going to take a few taps here. So bring it down and up. This practice is activating every part of your body. So you're nice and warm and ready to get going for your morning. Going for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Bring it all the way up. We're going to go ahead and go into our downward dog again. But this time we're going to take it to our right side. So kick up that right foot and we're going to place it over top of that left foot. Just going nice and deep into that left calf. And from here, we're going to go ahead and kick up that right foot again. And we're going to go into our flip dog, but on this side. So pushing up those hips here. Arm comes above that head. Reaching up. Engaging that back, engaging the core. One more deep breath here. And then you're going to join me in your side plank again. So I'm going to flip so you guys can see. We're going to come down onto that elbow. Really think about engaging here. If you need, you can always drop it to those knees. And then we're going to go ahead and tap those hips. So bring it down and up. This one's going to fire you up. Bring it down and up. Nice. Keep going here. And 2 and 1. Bring it up. We're going to flip it back over to our downward dog. Should feel a little bit of heat in your body now. And then we're just going to go ahead and kick up that left foot. We're going to step all the way through into our high lunge. So bring it up here. Lengthening through that right hip flexor. Really lifting up to that sky. I want to challenge you and see how far down you can get that back knee. Then from here, what we're going to do is we're going to bring those hands down and you're just going to wriggle out that left foot a little bit and drop that back knee. So we're coming into our lizard posture here. So opening up those hips even more. If you want to take it one step further, you can bring it down to those elbows too. Just taking whatever posture feels best for you in this moment. Never judging your body, always just listening. Keep flowing with that breath here. And then from here, if you're on those elbows, we're going to bring it up to the hands. You're just going to go ahead and kick back that leg and push back into that downward dog. Taking one moment here. And then this time, we're going to ground that left leg, kick up that right foot, drive that knee forward, and step into our high lunge here. So again, just challenging that balance, grounding that right foot. And we're just going to drop that knee as low as we can. Again, we're activating all those muscles so you're ready to take on your day. Finding that glute strength here. And then we're going to bring those hands down again. Wriggle that foot out. And then drop that knee. Coming into our lizard on this side. So again, just finding the best posture for you, whether that's up on your hands or down on those elbows. Opening up that hip. Following that breath here. when you're ready, we're going to bring it up to those hands. We're going to swing back that leg again, and we're just going to flip over onto our backs. And we're going to come into a couple of last postures here. So I want you to grab the inside of those feet. We're going to push down those knees, coming into our happy baby. And you might want to take some rocks here. Just focus on breathing in, bringing air to those hips. And then from here, we're just going to bring it down slowly. And I want you to place that right knee on top of that left. We're going to bring those arms out and just bring those knees over to your left side. You might feel some cracks here, and that's completely normal. And then we're going to take those knees over to our right side. We're giving our spine a nice massage here. And we're also opening up those glutes too. Go ahead, bring it to center. And we're just going to switch legs. So that left leg on top now. We're going to bring those knees over to our left side of our mats. And then just switch over to our right side. Then bring it back to center. We're going to go ahead and give ourselves a nice big hug. Coming to the end of our practice. Big breath in and out. And then slowly from here, I just want you to rock up to a seated posture. So however many rocks that takes. And when you're there, we're just going to take 2 last deep breaths. So if you want to place those hands on your belly, you can. We're going to breathe in through that nose, filling up that chest, out through the mouth. One more, we're going to breathe in and out. Great job, guys. I hope you're ready to take on and conquer your day today. You did amazing, and hope you all have an amazing day.